Hi, I'm Emmy here at Historic Brattonsville, and today we are cooking two very special recipes. The first being sugar ginger cookies, and the second is chocolate cream.
For the sugar gingerbread found in the Virginia Housewife or Methodical Cook by Mary Randolph, it says, take 2 pounds of the nicest brown sugar, dry and pound it, put it into 3 quarts of flour, add a large cup full of powdered ginger, and sift the mixture. Wash the salt out of a pound of butter and cream it. Have 12 eggs well beaten. Work into the butter first, the mixture, then the froth from the eggs, until they are all in and it is quite light. Add a glass of brandy butter, but since this is a family place, we use apple juice as a great substitute. Butter shallow molds, pour in the mix, and bake in a quick oven. Since we do not have shallow molds, we tend to put it on a plate and bake it in our Dutch oven. For the chocolate cream, which you can also find in the Virginia Housewife, you take nice chocolate, you melt it near the fire, and you add heavy whipping cream until it is nice and well, and then you put it in a cold area. And this is how it turned out. Please come by and see what else we are doing on site during weekdays, Tuesday to Saturday.